Many campuses around the world are introducing international internships, but there's a gap in knowledge. Introducing new programs is not enough. Staff need space to learn and grow, and that's how this process begins. Advising on international internships, a design thinking approach to a common problem. The missing piece, advisor training. At Global Experiences, we viewed this project as a design thinking challenge. It begins with a problem. Advisors struggle with advising on internships. Where is the gap in knowledge? How can providers help with the learning process? What does the learning look like? Here at GE, we chose to use the design thinking process, something that our staff trained on in 2017, and we thought it would be perfect to answer the questions that we had here. Design thinking is rooted in the design and engineering world, otherwise known as creative problem solving. The process suggests that we collaborate with experts, reframe the problem, search for solutions, test possible solutions, and then launch a prototype. Our timeline begins in spring of 2017 when we identified university partners to participate, a total of 10. The GE Institutional Relations Manager connected with partners by phone to ask a set list of questions, and after those initial conversations, we drafted materials. In May 2017, we met at NAFSA with the same partners to discuss what we had created. Following those conversations, we refined our materials. In August 2017, we were ready to launch a training page. Throughout the semester of fall 2017, we conducted live trainings via the Zoom webinar platform as well as in person on campus. We found several common questions during this process. Why choose intern abroad? Students have so many options. What is the return on investment? A common question for a program with a fee that includes an unpaid internship. What is the best vocabulary to use when speaking to a student in an advising meeting? Who is a good fit for the internship, and how to discover that in resumes, transcripts, and application materials. Finally, how to raise awareness. Marketing and promotion were reoccurring themes when discussing raising awareness on campuses. The solutions that we came up with included pieces that we already had on hand, as well as brand new pieces. We created items meant for print so that hard copy could be handed out to students and also be used on an advisor's desk. We created multimedia videos that could be accessed at any time by anyone. We also made sure to include student-facing materials as well as staff resources, knowing that both groups would benefit from learning more about internships. So where are we now? At this time, 19 institutions and over 80 individuals have participated in a webinar or a live in-person training led by one of the Global Experiences University team members. In our resource library, we have 5 videos, 2 infographics, and 11 individual reference pieces, in addition to supporting documentation for all of our locations. Have we met our goals? We aim to raise awareness on campus about international internships, training not only advisors but university colleagues, and offering a variety of materials to appeal to a wider audience. After a year and a half in the books on this project, we are confident that this training is making an impact and look forward to further refining the platform in 2018. When it comes to advising on internships, we used a design thinking approach to solve the problem, and it turns out the missing piece was advisor training.